Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we're going to walk through all the different ways you can access your Google Drive account. No matter which method you choose, you'll always end up in the same place, your Google Drive homepage. Let's start with the simplest method. Open your web browser and type drive.google.com into the address bar. This will take you directly to your Google Drive. If you're not already logged into your Google account, Google will ask you to sign in before you can continue. But if you're already logged into a Google service, like Google Docs, Drive will open automatically. Another easy way to open Google Drive is through the Google homepage. If you use Google as your homepage or search engine, look for the small grid icon, also known as the waffle icon. When you click on it, you'll see a list of Google apps. Just click on the Drive icon to open Google Drive. You can even rearrange these icons to place your most used apps at the top. You can also search for Google Drive directly from your browser. Simply type Google Drive into the search bar, press Enter, and select the correct link from the search results. And in addition to all of this, you can access Google Drive using the official Google Drive app for Windows 11. After installing the app, you can sign in with your Google account and your Drive files will appear just like a folder on your PC. This makes it easy to sync files, upload documents, and manage everything directly from File Explorer without needing to open your browser. So that's how you can access Google Drive quickly and easily through your browser, through Google Apps, through search, and even through the Google Drive app on Windows 11. Let's move on to the next part in the following video.